So this is it, brand new series time, and as you've seen by the title of this video, the name of this new series is The Best Home Screen Setup. So let's roll that fresh new intro. Now, if you've been following me over on Twitter, then you'll know that this new series has been in the pipeline for the last month or so, and whilst it won't officially launch for about another month from the publication of this video, today is the day where we start the build up in preparation for this new series. The series will follow a very similar format to the Best Nova Launcher Setup series, 3 setups showcased per episode with a deep dive provided on each, and links to all assets, including the backup files where possible, will be provided in the notes of said episodes. But this time, along with each of the assets, with their permission, I will be also including a link to a social account that the user wants mentioned in the description as well, so that you can go over and support them by giving them a follow. Right, with that out of the way, let's get into the rules of submission. First things first, we've got a brand new email launched to coincide with this new series, and that email address is homescreensetups@gmail.com. So here are the things that you'll need to send to that email address to be eligible for being showcased in this new series. First and foremost, screenshots of any page within your setup, including, if you can, the app drawer as well. This is perhaps just about the most important thing that you can send to me, because if I don't see a screenshot, then I don't know what your setup is meant to look like, and therefore your email will probably be binned straight away. Secondly, if your launcher supports it, then a backup file will make my life so much easier and will significantly improve your chances of being featured in an episode. Then make sure you send me the name of any widget or icon packs that you're using in your setup. After that, please send any third-party or custom widget files that you've either made from scratch or customized yourself. Otherwise, I won't be able to replicate your setup. Also, you can just send the name of the wallpaper app that you've used to source your wallpaper from, but if you have a direct download link and you can send that to me, as well as the name of the wallpaper app, then that would be amazing. And finally, send me a social account that you'd like featured in the notes of said episode, of course, only if you'd like for people to be able to find and support you. And that's it. Now, I know it sounds like a lot of information that you have to send to me, but the idea of this series, much like my Best Nova Launcher Setup series, is that not only do I load the setup onto my own device so that I can showcase all the ins and outs of it, but also that we collectively make life as easy for our audience as possible so that they can load your setup onto their device as quickly and seamlessly as possible. Also, feel free to showcase your setups over on Twitter or Instagram using the hashtags BHSS or Best Home Screen Setups. We can build a whole other community using those hashtags as well. I will also still be running those monthly polls over on Twitter so that you, as my audience, can decide which setups you want to see featured in each episode of this new series. So make sure you're following me over there to get involved. Aside from that, that is it for this video. Get excited for this new series launch in the coming month, and also get your setup sent in as well so that we actually have some quality stuff to showcase in that first episode. But aside from that, that is it. Thank you all very much for watching, and I will catch you later.